I got something in the mail. Alright, so this says, "Hey Keelan, hope you're enjoying Sasabo. We might visit in August. Greetings from Berlin, Germany. Yav." Shouts out to Yav. So I got something I want to talk about. Before we get into that, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It's EKB TV. You're watching the Vintage Cigar. And I'm back, not quite with the review, but with the review. And it's something I want to talk about. There have been really nice people from Germany that wanted to look out and they wanted to send a product so I could give my opinion on this product. And at first I was like, I'm kind of skeptical and I was kind of fading away from the channel. But one, the customer service was amazing and just the correspondence really made me respect the group and respect Yob after talking to him. So I hope I get to see him when he comes out to Japan. That being said, he sent it out to me the first time. And I wasn't able to get the review, but I got this cool package right here. And this is the original look of what we're talking about today. This is Ciglue. Ciglue. Now, the name kind of speaks for itself, and that's what I like about it. I like something that kind of tells you what it is right off the bat. So this was the original branding of Ciglue. But it's changed. We got an update. You just saw what the advertisement looked like. So I got a new box, and they sent me out a second option of Ciglue, and this is what we have here. This is Ciglue. I'm all for this. Let me tell you why I'm actually digging this product. Have you ever had something like this happen to your $40+ cigar? Has that ever happened to you? Well, if it has, most of the time you don't have anything to repair it. You're trying to spit on it, you're trying to put the wrapper back on, and it's a nasty process. I mean, it's all natural, it's your saliva, but it just doesn't work. So I think when someone comes with something that's innovative, and they come with something that's smart, and they do it the right way, Ciglue has done it the right way. You had the original option, and now they just made it even simpler. So all you really have to do to make this product work is shake, twist, and apply. And if you look at this, it's really smart the way that they have that it's just a simple brush applicator that you can actually put the wrapper back on, and it's all natural. So it's Arabica and rice glue. When you talk about that, usually it's pectin. I like all the options, but when you have a simple product that works, I'm here for it. So I didn't mind coming on to my channel and advocating for Ciglue and for Yav. This is something that I really dig, and to be honest with you, I wanted to do a full-on demonstration for you on this, but this is already FUBAR. Now, I know I could use the Ciglue to actually get this to work a little bit better, but who cares about a $50 cigar that is just falling apart on you in the first place? Nobody cares about that. I try to keep up with all of my cigars that you see here, and I try to make sure that they all are well taken care of, but even with the best. I mean, from Atabey to Padron, to Toro Fuente, to Dunbarton Tobacco and Trust, I've had some of my favorite cigars get cracked. It even happened to my eye at a sharp. And you guys know how I feel about that. So now I'm happy to have something that can actually fix my cigars if something goes wrong. A lot of these accessories I don't like to get into because they just come off as a gimmick. They come off as something that you really don't need. You need a simple cutter, you need a simple lighter, that's really about it. Maybe an ashtray, but when your cigar gets damaged, what are you gonna do? What happens when you cut the top and then you gotta fix the cap? You got Ciglue. In all honesty, I think this is brilliant. I think this is a great idea. I think this is helpful. This is the brand. You can use this to always check it out. I will link this down so you guys can check it out on my YouTube page. I'm also gonna put it in my community so you guys can check it out. We make it smooth, we make it easy, so you guys can check this out. Ciglue. Use your Googles. It's that simple. And it's simple enough to repair your broken cigars. That right there is enough to sell me. And that it's all natural. I don't have to worry about putting anything weird and smoking anything weird. I'm in Japan. I eat rice all the time. Rice glue works. My wife is half Filipino. We make lumpia all the time. Rice glue works. This works. It's simple, plain, and easy. Take it from your boy, EKB. So when things go wrong with my cigar, this is what I'm gonna use. It's really simple to use. I said it before. You shake, twist, and then you apply. Just like that. I mean, come on, bro. That's not hard. Easy money. It's EKB, and I'm out. One time, and a shout out to Ciglue. You guys take that, use it how you want. Hopefully you go to the site. Hopefully you try it out. Hopefully you repair those cigars that you got broken in your humidor. It happens to the best of us. It happens all the time. Sometimes it happens while you're actually smoking the cigar. Now you got to back up.